Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best studio monitor speakers in the active powered category. The Yamaha HS5 paired two-way bass reflex bi-amplified near-field studio monitors. If you're serious about audio production or just want professional-grade sound clarity at home, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why these are a top-tier choice. Let's begin by looking at the design. The Yamaha HS5 monitors come in a sleek, minimalist matte finish with a clean white cone that has become an icon in music studios around the world. They're compact, making them a great fit for smaller setups or home studios where space is at a premium, but don't let their size fool you. These are purpose-built for critical listening. Each unit is a bi-amplified speaker, meaning it uses separate amplifiers for the low and high frequency drivers. The 5-inch cone woofer and 1-inch dome tweeter work together to deliver a frequency response of 54 Hz to 30 kHz. That means you're getting deep, punchy lows, and sparkling highs, with incredible clarity and balance in between. It's not hyped, it's honest, which is exactly what you want when mixing or mastering. Now, let's talk power. The built-in amplifiers are Class D, efficient and powerful, delivering 70 watts of power per speaker, 45 watts to the woofer and 25 to the tweeter. This gives you enough headroom for clean, distortion-free sound even at higher volumes. If you're monitoring for long hours, that clarity and lack of distortion is a huge win. Flip the unit around and you'll find both XLR and TRS input options. These balanced connectors ensure minimal noise interference, so your sound is always clean. You also get room control and height trim response controls, giving you the ability to fine-tune your monitors to suit your room's acoustics. If you're setting up in a bedroom, a studio booth, or even a corner desk, these controls help dial in the perfect sound. Now, let's address what really sets the HS5 apart, the sound signature. Yamaha has engineered these monitors to be incredibly flat and accurate. What you hear is what you get. This is especially valuable when you're working on audio that needs to translate well across multiple playback systems, headphones, car speakers, streaming platforms. The HS5s give you a clear, unbiased reference that lets you make precise decisions. Durability-wise, Yamaha has built these monitors like tanks. The cabinet design is robust and specially constructed to eliminate unwanted resonance. This means better stereo imaging and more accurate soundstage, important if you're trying to place instruments in a mix or hear subtle reverb tails. If you're a music producer, sound designer, podcaster, or content creator who values precision and clarity in your sound, the HS5 is an ideal choice. Even if you're just an audiophile looking for pro-grade audio for everyday listening, they will not disappoint. In terms of setup, they're plug and play. Connect your interface or mixer, set your levels, and you're good to go. And while they don't come with bass-heavy tuning like consumer speakers, that's by design. These are monitors, not party speakers. They tell the truth, and in audio production, that's everything. To wrap up, the Yamaha HS5 paired two-way studio monitors deliver phenomenal performance, professional-grade clarity, and Yamaha's legendary reliability in a compact form. At their price point, they punch well above their weight, and they've become a staple in studios for good reason. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing for more deep dives into the gear that shapes your sound. Drop your questions in the comments, and let us know what product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.